What's up my stylish people, this is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspirations, shopping and styling tips for Indian men. In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you guys 9 pieces from Zara sale which I got very recently. Even though most of the pieces you may be seeing out of stock by the time you are watching this video, few of the pieces Zara releases them season after season. So this video may help you guys as a review when they are stocked in the next season, so as you will get to know whether to buy it or not. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Moving on to the piece number 1. It is a yellow color bomber jacket from Zara, which I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 2790. I got for a crazy price of 1290. What I like the most in this jacket is the color. I do not have a bomber jacket with this color. That's the reason I have gone for. Always a tip for you guys would be shop statement pieces or the colors which you do not have during the sale time. So you have to pick these pieces at this price point during the sale time, because even if you don't like it, you may not regret later on because you spent only 40% of its price. What I liked other than the color in this jacket is the fit of it. If you see this very closely, the jacket do not have any shoulder structure to it. This is like a drop down shoulder kind of a jacket which gives that extra street vibe to your outfits. That's the reason I have gone for this. Coming to the versatility which you get with the jacket, yes, the color is not super versatile, and there is another factor to it. Even though it's made of technical fabric, if you see this, they have this white mesh inside. That makes this fabric and jacket overall thick, and it would be a great buy if it is for the winter season, but you will not get the versatility of wearing the jacket across all the seasons. Moving on to the jacket number 2. It is a color blocked black and metallic color bomber jacket with hood to it. It is priced at 3490 and I got this for a price of 1290. For 1290 it's an absolute bargain. Would I recommend to any one of you guys for 3490? Absolutely not. But however, if you guys get it for anything less than 1500, these are the kind of statement pieces you would need, and also the practical utility you will get during the winter seasons and during the rainy seasons, because the material is made of technical fabric and also it's a color blocking. It's one of the trend, so you get the best of both the worlds. If you are doing the jogging or running kind of purpose in the night time, it would be a great buy. The moment the light hits on it, it gives that glow to it and people know that you are there jogging during the night times. That's what. But I just bought this for the style purpose, not for the jogging or something like that. It starts with the medium size. You will not get small size in this. It fits on the relaxed end, so you get that oversized aspect which adds to the street vibe. Moving on to the piece number 3. It is a technical overshirt in a beige brown color. It is from the Traveler series from Zara. I got this in a size of medium. This is priced at 2790 and I got it for a price of 1290. For the price point of 1290, I love this overshirt a lot because of one simple reason. If you see the fabric very closely, it is having that minor checkered pattern to it, and the fabric is so thin. You can use this literally during any time during the year and you will not feel that you are using it as a layering piece at all. It feels so light. Sometimes you will even forget that you have the layering piece on top of your t-shirt. That's how light it is. Maybe it is not useful during the winter seasons, but in many regions in India where the temperatures are very high, this would be a great buy because you can even layer with this during the summer season as well. Also, the color being so neutral and the quality of the Traveler series is really great, and even you get the pockets inside as well. As with the Traveler series, generally you get that water repellent, quick drying. And why I would recommend the Traveler series or maybe the Cool Max technology from H&M at this point of time, during this pandemic times, not like before where we generally use a trouser or jeans maybe 2 to 3 times. But right now, if you are a guy who uses denims a lot, you have to wash it the moment you come to home, considering the safety measures you have to take during this time. This is the time where you have to invest in Traveler series because the material is super light, these are super durable, and these are meant to last for a long time. These are meant to be durable for different climatic conditions and they dry super quickly. So if you throw them on wash very frequently also, the quality is not going to be degraded anytime soon. I thought of buying this at a price point of 2790 when they released it as a new arrival, and then the lockdown happened, and right now I got it for a price of $12.90. If you guys are not interested in this color, there would be a green color which Zara released as a new arrival. I will leave the link for that as well in the description below. Moving on to the piece number 4. It's an orange button-down collar denim shirt with vertical stripes to it, which I got it in a size of small because it fits on the relaxed end. However, I got it for a crazy price of 990 rupees. The quality they have gone for the denim, it's of very thick quality, so your use case may be limited during the summer season with this, but Zara do release them season after season in different patterns, the same button down collar denim shirts. For the sizing, you can take the recommendation from the video. For the quality, you can take the recommendation, but maybe not the same piece you will be able to get because it may be stocked out by this time. What I liked most in this shirt, one, of course, is the color combination. I have gone for the orange color because I do not have any shirts in the orange color, and that too any denim shirts in the orange color. And orange being the base, generally when you go for the bolder colors, when it comes to the striped shirts, always play subtle with the stripe colors. I loved how they have gone with the minimal stripes. Even though it's a striped denim shirt, the stripes are of blue and white, which are the neutral colors to the base of orange. Overall, for a price point of 990, it's a bargain for me. Moving on to the piece number 5 and 6. Why I'm calling piece number 5 and 6? Because it is a coordinate set. It is a track suit set which I bought from Zara in this charcoal grey color. This is the hoodie from Zara in a charcoal grey color. It is priced at 1890. I got it for a price of 990. This comes also with the same color jogger to it, which is also priced at 1890. The complete set is priced at 3800 rupees. However, I got it for a price of 2000 rupees. This Zara releases season after season in different colors. It is having that knit kind of a feel to it, but the material is a little bit on the thicker quality. And yes, you have to use this only during the winter seasons. May not be useful during other seasons, but however, when it comes to the jogger, the fit of the jogger is great. And also what I did not like about this hoodie is the drawstrings. The drawstrings are too long. I don't know. I still can't understand, guys, what exactly the reason for the brands giving too long drawstrings. In my perception, actually it feels cheap. When it comes to the trouser or jogger for this track set, it's super versatile because you are not going to layer the joggers, right? So you may use it like a normal track pant. Moving on to the piece number 7. As I mentioned earlier that I love Traveler series a lot. It is a black color Traveler series trouser from Zara, which is called as Easy Pants. Yes, seriously, if you are not believing it, see, it's written here as an Easy Pant. Why it is called an easy pant? Generally, the intention behind the Traveler series is to make sure that the pieces are durable and can withstand different climatic conditions and are easy to wash, easy to dry, and easy to press it down. The material, as I mentioned for the overshirt here, the brown one, the material is super thin. The moment you put on, you will not even feel like you wore something. That's how it feels. It feels super light on the skin. If you see this very closely, it have the drawstrings on the inner side and it have the dressy aspect to it. If you want to wear this as a normal casual trouser, you're good to go. If you want to wear this as a semi-casual, you're good to go. You can literally wear this as a track trouser also because of the fabric they have gone for it. Super stretchy, water repellent, and it is having that quick dry technology to it. Coming to the fit of it, it may not cater to each and everyone when it comes to the fit, because even though it's mentioned as a slim fit, the main intentions or main purpose for the Traveler series is not to emphasize or not to concentrate on the fit. They generally go for the slim to relaxed fit, but however, that is what you get with the Traveler series because they need to be versatile to be worn for different scenarios. These are priced at 2590 and I got this for 1290. Moving on to the piece number 8. In case if any of you guys don't like the Traveler series at all, I got you guys covered with the black color comfort skinny fit chinos from Zara, which I got it in a size of 31. It is having a chain attached to it. When it is mentioned as a comfort, be it a slim fit, be it a skinny fit, it is having that comfort aspect to it. It may not hug to your body if it is a skinny fit. It may be having little bit more room if it is a slim fit. Always make sure that if you want that aspect, if you want that extra comfort to it, go for the comfort fits in Zara. And also, I feel whatever I noticed for the comfort fits, generally they go for little bit premium quality materials. I got this in a size of 31. This is also priced at 2,790 and I got it for a price of 1,290. Unlike the other Zara trousers, this comes with an inseam length of 31 or precisely 31.5. I measured it. So you have to pinroll it or you have to take it to tailor to get it cropped. As I mentioned earlier, it fits on the skinnier side, but it is having that room or stretch to it. Moving on to the piece number 9 and the last piece from the shopping haul is the blue suit trouser from Zara, which I got it in a size of 30. It is having an elastic waistband on the back side and it comes with a material which is a mixture of polyester, which seems like a knit material, but it is having a mixture of polyester. It is a suit trouser from Zara, which I got it in a size of 30. I sized it down because it fits on the slimmer side. And it comes with a cropped length. It is having an inseam length of 30. I like the fit of it, and the color I do not have. This is a cobalt blue kind of a color. So altogether, as I mentioned earlier, these are the kind of colors which you have to add to your wardrobe only during the sale time because you are going to get them on discount. So when it comes to these suit trousers, generally most of the suit trousers in Zara, they do not have that bi-stretch to it. This have it. I hope you guys liked the video on 9 different pieces which I shopped from Zara India sale. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it for me. I will see you guys in my next video.